Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. As y'all could see from the title of today's video, we're about to install some coilovers on a SC300. The coilovers are Fortune Auto 500s, and the car is currently sitting on Volk GTS wheels. Wheels on this car are actually from my 350Z. I sold them a while back to my boy, and now we're gonna be lowering this thing, so it's about to be sitting right. Let's go check it out. Here's a look at the back of the car. This is a 93 SC300. Got the updated tail lights, swapped those out. And here are the Volk GTS wheels. 19 by 9.5 in the front, 10.5 in the rear. Plus 18 offset in the front, and then plus 17 on the rear. The tire that's currently on there is a 275/35. I believe the front's like a 255/35. And you guys can see the front is super beefy, so fingers crossed everything goes smooth and we aren't rubbing. But the rear should sit really nice. Should camber in once the coilovers are on. Think about doing like an 1.5 inch drop on the rear and maybe like a 2-inch drop on the front. About to get this thing into the air and then get started. Last time we'll be seeing this wheel gap. Here are the coilovers we're going to be installing on the SC. These actually have the Swift spring upgrade, and these things look beautiful. Wow. Nice. Anyways, a little update on the car. Already in the air. Cracked a couple bolts loose as well. This one right here, and then 3 bolts up top. Might need to disconnect this sway bar and link as well. Same thing here, and then I believe we have to disconnect this. I think it'll just, the tension will drop, so gonna remove the end link here, and then that one big fat bolt. Already got it loose. PB blasted this thing last night, so 3 bolts up top and we should be ready to go. Alright, y'all, currently dying right now. We just happened to choose the hottest day of the week to do this. All right, super smart. Working on the fronts now. Got it all loosed up and just need to put a spring compressor right there, and then everything will compress and it will just come out easy. So here's what we're working with. Got a spring compressor right there. Make it easier for us to drop that strut out. So took those 3 out, put them back in, and rears were honestly not a big deal at all. It's the fronts that kind of had an issue going. Rears are fully in. Again, 1 bolt down here, and then sway bar end link, you got to take that off. Comes off super simple after that. And this front one, had to remove this little upper bracket, upper control arm, and sway bar end link as well. Popping this thing off, it was super easy, and we had blown shocks earlier, so it was just, they were all the way extended out, and we didn't have no choice but to take this off, and just made it way easier. Remove the liner as well when we took this off. That way the bolt, when it came out, it didn't hit this I don't know, power steering hose or whatever that is. But other than that, pretty solid. We're ready to lower the car and put it on the ground on wheels. This thing is about to be sitting super slammed. You guys could just see from this side compared to this side. Y'all, so we just dropped the car right now, and this thing is sitting on the tires. It's insane. Looks bagged. Check out this front fitment. Y'all seen how the before was. This is just crazy. Bruh. Got your base? Yeah. Yo, this is just insane. What the hell? Definitely gonna raise it up a little bit, but the way it's sitting right now, I love it. Look at the rear. This is just so crazy. What the hell? Bag type of shit right here. Love these wheels on this car. That is just insane. Excuse the door, but goddamn. Thing is sitting right, for sure approved. I probably look dirty as hell right now. I got all types of dirt. Yeah, You already know we put in work today. A little later than I thought we'd finish, but ran into some ride height issues. Fixed up all those. Car's sitting a little high right now for my standard. But it's gonna be settling in the next couple hours and after he drives it. So front's sitting super nice though. The second try right here and got it sitting A1. Overall, here is a look at the car. I'll be sure to give you guys some daytime shots tomorrow, and that's probably where I'll pick up this video. So see you guys till then.